Hey guys, welcome to a special episode of The Kitchen Chemist. I'm your boy, amateur pro home chef Nathaniel Evanson. We hit 100 subscribers, which in YouTube terms means we get a custom URL. We're gonna be cooking some incredible steaks. And we're gonna cook these using a reverse sear method. So basically what we've done is we preheated the oven to 225, and we're just gonna lay these steaks out unseasoned on a wire rack, and we're just gonna pop them into the oven for about 30 minutes. You can see the outside is kind of dried. The fat is kind of jiggly, like a little glossy. These are ready for the pan. Salt, black pepper, and I like a little bit of garlic powder, totally optional. Flip it over, season the other side. Oh yeah, these are jiggly. Oh baby, these are gonna be good steaks. Alright, so now we're heating up our cast iron skillet till it's really hot. Like, not quite the highest setting, but close to the highest setting. Really hot. Alright, I'm gonna cook these in a neutral oil. I'm using avocado oil because that's what I had, but a neutral oil with a high smoking temperature won't affect the season of the steak. You could use olive oil, but olive oil, butter have low smoke points, so I might avoid those. Let's get this light on. Coat the pan in oil, and when you see it start to ripple and smoke, that's when it's time to drop the steaks in.
It's beautiful.
The sound of victory. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Look at that nice brown crust. That is the sear you're looking for. It's done, so I'm gonna pull them. Look at that exterior. It's beautiful. These need to rest for at least 5 minutes before you cut them, or else the juice is gonna run anywhere, you're gonna get dry steak. So let them rest. Shh, go to sleep.
And here we go.
All right, now comes the fun part.
This is where the fun begins.
So, Nathaniel is going to get a fork. I am going to get a knife because there were no more forks in the entire office.
And I looked at every single cupboard and every single drawer. I found a lot of spoons, but that's not gonna help.
I think this is gonna be much more enjoyable than the cereal tasting episode.
Cheers.
Cheers, my friend. Oh, I'm dripping.
Mm-hmm. Damn good steak.
Wow.
We just hit 100 subscribers, which is
Casual.
pretty great. Casual hundo. We wanted to say thank you to everyone for that. So, Greg, why don't you tell us about how you got into filming? You're the brains behind the operation.
I don't know about all that. July 2018, I started Chapter 1 Films, which is my video production company. Moved to North Carolina, met this guy here, and I saw a talent, you know? I'm just kidding. We became friends. He made me food a lot of times, and I was like, dude, you're really good at this stuff, and you're also kind of like, you know, the whole chemistry thing is interesting. Was it during COVID?
Yeah, we started,
Yeah.
we were basically on a Zoom call, like, oh my gosh, we're so bored. And Greg said, hey, why don't we just do a cooking show?
Yeah.
And I was like, I've actually been thinking the exact same thing. You read my mind. So we did. And the first episode, which resulted in lime bars, there were like a bunch of other things.
We
on
actually
that shoot.
filmed a bunch of things that day. And then I'm glad we did it. We might have wasted a lot of time.
We learned a lot, and we still got one episode out of it.
Yeah.
My cooking journey began when I was 11 or 12, and started watching Emerald Live because we upgraded our cable, started getting Food Network.
Oh, man.
So I started watching Emerald Live, bam, and I was like, wow, look how cool cooking can be. I think when I was about 15, I watched Alton Brown's Thanksgiving episode, and I said, hey Mom, let me cook the turkey this year. And so since then, which was 15 years ago at this point. I have cooked the Thanksgiving turkey in our household since then. And then when I turned 18, I got a smoker. That was my graduation present. I got a smoker. And we've done one turkey in the oven and one turkey smoked for 12 years now.
Probably a really easy thing for parents to encourage their kids to do, right?
Right?
Oh, you want to
How dare you do something that makes my life easier?
So what are we going to be doing with this channel going forward?
Well, we're going to continue to make recipes. We'd love to hear what you guys want to see me cook, but making recipes that are simple, approachable, talking to you a little bit about what's going on, why do this and not that, you know, why did my food do that, what changed, what have I become, what am I doing with my life, you know, the big questions in the kitchen that you need to answer.
Why are you a failure?
We had a request for beef bourguignon.
Yep.
Beef bourguignon done right is really good. It's basically like slow braised beef with mushrooms and a wine sauce over noodles. It's...
Who's the YouTuber chick that was like cooking like so-and-so that commented? Because I saw her comment.
Cooking Like Julia.
We should give her a shout out or something maybe.
Shout out to Cooking with Julia.
Not cooking with Julia.
Cooking Like Julia.
They're cooking like Julia, right?
Shout out to Cooking Like Julia.
Well, that tasted like 100 subscribers to me. I don't know about you.
Why don't you tell them where they can reach us, Greg, while I finish my steak?
Yeah, so you can find us on YouTube. Most likely that's where they're watching this, though. Should I say that? You can find us on this video right here below.
Because we hit 100 subscribers, we now get our own custom URL.
So you guys can find us youtube.com/c/kitchenchemist.
The Kitchen Chemist.
The Kitchen Chemist.
If you're on Facebook and you're watching this, go on over there and hit the subscribe button. It's tied to your Gmail, which you have, so just do it. You can send us a tweet at KitchenChemYT. You could also send us an email at therealkitchenchemist@gmail.com.
If you like seeing more of this guy make you food, as much as I like eating the food that he makes, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, leave us a comment, let us know what kind of foods you want us to make, and we'll be happy to keep making episodes for you guys. Until next time, that was some really good steak.